No flipping, no long-simmered gravy. For a fuss-free turkey and a fast, richly flavored gravy, we borrow a tool from pizza making. Place 4 tablespoons of kosher salt and 4 teaspoons of sugar in a bowl. Stir until combined. Place one 12 to 14-pound turkey with the neck and giblets removed and reserved for the gravy, breast side up on your counter. Using your fingers, carefully loosen the skin covering the breast and the thighs. Rub 4 teaspoons of the salt-sugar mixture under the skin of each breast. Rub 2 teaspoons of the salt-sugar mixture under the skin of each leg, and rub the remaining salt-sugar mixture inside the cavity. Tuck the wings behind the back and tie the legs together with kitchen twine. Place the turkey on a wire rack set in a rimmed baking sheet and refrigerate uncovered for 24 to 48 hours. At least 30 minutes before roasting the turkey, adjust the oven rack to the lowest position. Set a baking stone on the rack, set a roasting pan on the baking stone, and heat the oven to 500 degrees. Place 1½ teaspoons of vegetable oil and 1 teaspoon of baking powder in a small bowl. Stir until combined. Pat the turkey dry with paper towels. Rub the oil mixture evenly over the turkey. Cover the turkey breast with a double layer of aluminum foil. Remove the roasting pan from the oven. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil into the roasting pan. Place the turkey, breast side up, in the pan, and return the pan to the oven. Reduce the oven temperature to 425 degrees and roast for 45 minutes. Remove the foil, reduce the oven temperature to 325 degrees, and continue to roast until the breast registers 160 degrees and the drumsticks and thighs register 175 degrees, 1 to 1½ hours longer. Using a spatula, loosen the turkey from the roasting pan. Transfer to a carving board and let rest, uncovered, for 45 minutes. While the turkey rests, scrape up any brown bits from the bottom of the roasting pan using a wooden spoon. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer set over a bowl. Transfer the drippings to a fat separator and let rest for 10 minutes. Reserve 3 tablespoons of fat and the defatted liquid. You should have about 1 cup. Add water if necessary. Discard the remaining fat. Heat the reserved fat in a large saucepan over medium-high heat until shimmering. Add the reserved neck and giblets. Cook until well browned, 10 to 12 minutes. Transfer the neck and giblets to a large plate. Reduce the heat to medium. Add 1 small onion chopped fine, 1 carrot sliced thin, 5 sprigs of fresh parsley, and 2 bay leaves. Cook, stirring frequently until the vegetables are softened, 5 to 7 minutes. Add 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook, stirring constantly, until the flour is well coated with fat, about 1 minute. Slowly whisk in the reserved defatted liquid and cook until thickened, about 1 minute. Add 3¼ cups of water and 1/4 cup of dry white wine and whisk until incorporated. Return the neck and giblets to the pan and bring to a simmer. Simmer for 10 minutes, then season with salt and pepper to taste. Discard the neck. Strain the gravy through a fine mesh strainer, discarding the solids, and transfer to a serving bowl or gravy boat. Carve the turkey and arrange it on a serving platter. Serve with gravy.